This program is rated SP.
Bang.
6.
Bang.
That's 6, Seth. That's 6.
Natagpuan nitong Abril para huling nakita ng kanyang pamilya.
Gabi, 8 p.m. na, sa FOFBTN TV. Ang pagiging Giorno ay depiro, kay pagod man ako sa newscasting o sa field man, sisigla pa rin ako sa tulong ng FOFBTN Cola Lemon.
Masigla iyong araw with FOFBTN Cola Lemon, it's high iron, taurine, and B vitamins. Para tuloy-tuloy ang focus sa work, araw-araw.
Sarap, FOFBTN TV po try nyo, journalist, reporter news anchor.
PD Cola.
From FOFBTN brand.
Apple. Hey. Hey, Apple.
What? What is it?
Orange, you glad I didn't say